What is going on, guys? So today we're going to be unboxing this iRobot Roomba robot vacuum. Include value. It's an E6198. Alright, here's the back. It's, you could download an app to do it. This is a really good vacuum, I heard. So, let's get this open. Alright. There you go. Ooh, opens, nice cushion, protector. Here's the vacuum. Ooh. Nice. Look at that. To clean it, you could just press clean, and to go home, it'll go back to the charging base. Then there's sensors here. These things, it cleans by itself. It goes around your house and it doesn't bump into walls or anything. It has like sensors all around it and it cleans by itself. See, that's the bottom of it. The junk goes there. And then it scrubs the floor. I guess it scrubs the floor too. That's the magnet to put when it goes up to charge to the base. And there's these monster tires to get up. Oh, no way. It cleans the floor too, I think. Oh, wait. Wait. No, that must be where the garbage goes. They probably put that because some people probably thought it scrubs the floor because of that. So some people probably put water and then complained after because it didn't work. So that's probably why it has that. Has a nice handle here. Is that a handle? Yeah, I guess. So, hold it. Now, you know what? No, I don't want to turn it on yet. So, over here, it's a garbage thing. You press the garbage thing, and this comes out. The filter's there. Then over here to clean the tank, you take that out. I'm pretty sure there's just, oh, you know what? That's to clean the filter. Over here, I think where it opens. Oh, so you hold down that button and you bring this up, you clean it, click it in, put it back in there, that first, then this, or actually, wait. Hold up. Oh, I didn't put the filter in good. So here's the iRobot vacuum that cleans by itself. And I didn't put the filter in right, so that's why I wasn't closing. So that goes there. Should like click in. Is that? Oh wait. It goes in like this. There you go. Then put it in here. Boom. Nice. Alright. Let's take this out. Here's the manual. You download the iRobot Home app to control it on your phone. Like if you're on vacation, you could just, and you want the vacuum to clean the house, just go on your phone and then press the button. Warranty. And here's the base, the home base where it charges. You just set it up wherever you want it. There's a sensor there. Then it goes up to this magnet. And where does it plug in? Oh, it plugs in right there to the side. Over here is where all the charging stuff. Here it comes with batteries. It comes with the plug. You plug it in there and then plug it in wherever you want that the home base to be. It comes with extra filter. Oh, it comes with an extra filter. See? And comes with, what are these? Oh, interesting. These must be like sensors. Like if you want it, if you don't want it past, like if you want to start at that room, you place it in that room. And then if you want it to stop in the other room, you place it in the other room. Because if you just want it to do 2 rooms. Oh wait, this is good. If you don't want it to go down the stairs, you just put it in between the stairs, so it won't. If you want if you have this just for your top floor, well, I don't know. Oh, for let's say the basement stairs, you have the door open, and you don't want this to fall down the stairs. You could put these bars up, so it won't go like like this, and then it won't go down the stairs. I don't know. I don't know if this is where start and then stop to the wherever you want it to go, or I'm gonna read the manual. Let's go see. Let's go. Wait, it didn't come with the remote. Let's save this and I'll put this back. Where's the remote? Where's the remote? So yeah, I wonder where the remote is. Didn't come with it. Alright, let's see what the instruction says. I think it only goes with you can only do it with your phone. But anyways. Doesn't say anything about those, but those can't be the remotes though. Wait, let's see. Oh, maybe. Oh, here's a switch. There's a switch here. These look like. Oh, I was right. See, if you place it by, because sometimes these vacuums could be a little stupid, I guess. They could like bump into things like light things, like let's say you have a bowl of water for your cat or dog or your pet, whatever. And then it could probably spill it over and stuff. So as an example, where you don't want it to, where you want it to pass that spot, you place these bars, these sensors, where you don't want the vacuum to go. Like, you know what I'm saying? It'll ignore that spot. So I was right. So that's an example. See? It'll only go this way. It won't go that direction if you point that this way. Ah, that's pretty smart. Okay, so these things take batteries. You put two AAA batteries in here, and then it comes with the other one over there. Alright, extra filter. The home base, I'm gonna set this up downstairs. Then the other, where are the other batteries that came with? Ah, well, I have extra batteries anyway. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Oh, there it is. Subscribe to my channel, play post notifications, smash that thumbs up button, see you guys next time. Peace.